Hello, good morning mga partners to all over the world. I'm your coach Ria from Team ANS ng Bahrain na isang distributor ng Empower Consumerism Campaign. So, mga partners, hello, good morning to my leaders, Madam Janet Bisares. So all other my mga partners, hello, good morning to everyone. So I'm here to present the best products of our Empowered Consumerism is about the food supplement and our flagship product. Our flagship product is C24/7. C24/7 is formulated exclusively manufactured by Nature's Way for M Gluban provide everyone with the complete nutrients and cellular protections, contains the highest level of antioxidants with approximately 22,000 phytonutrients in every capsule. So, meron po sa isang capsule 140 ingredients in one capsule. So number 1 is 29 vitamins and minerals, 18 amino acid, essential for muscle regeneration, 12 whole vegetable juice blend, 12 whole fruit juice blend, 12 kinds of different of mushrooms, 12 digested enzymes, 12 herbs and specialty nutrients, 10 essential fatty acid, 14 super green food spirulina blend, 5 anti-aging antioxidant enhancer, 4 longevity polymers mega resveratrol blend. C24/7 is 100 expedient free all natural vegetables capsule that has high absorbance capacity that can disintegrate after 15 minutes inside the stomach. C24/7 has cellular protection, cellular immunity, cellular energizers. So C24/7 is all-in-one in food supplement. Recommended po para po ito sa matulungan palakasin ng ating mga immune system at unti-unti itong ma-regenerate ang mga cells ng katawan para ito'y gumaling ang ating pakiramdam. So, C24/7 is for your general health and wellness. It is food and nutrients for our body needs. So, ito ay pinakamabisang panlaban sa lahat ng ating uri ng mga sakit, papatunaw ng kolesterol at pampalaban ng timbang dahil sa resveratrol content nito. Mabisang panlaban sa lahat ng uri ng mga cancer, mabisa sa panagtatatae at nagpatanggal ng laso ng ating katawan, mabisa sa mga karamdaman sa pagtanda tulad ng mga arthritis, rheuma. At ito ay pinapalusog ang ating mga kidney, liver, at pancreas. C24/7 is 100% of natural. There's no side effect, 100% of all the vegetables. No side effect, all natural capsule, vegetable capsule, FDA approved, halal approved, super brands, and kosher. And this is our best product of ng Empower Consumerism and bigati ng ating partners by Nature's Way in USA. So, ito gaano kaganda ng ating product na C24/7. So, we have another one is Complete. Complete is Phyto-Energizer is the most nutritionally dense food concentrate in the world market. It contains the most number of the antioxidant with approximately 16,000 phytonutrients in one product. The ingredients of complete work synergy to produce maximum result for your body, making it the most potent anti-aging protein in the history of supplement. C Supreme, over 20 fruits and vegetables, complete phytoenergizer, over 20 fruits and vegetables plus support for healthy bones, eyes, daily energy, heart, immunity, some C24 but no anti-aging for the good for the pregnant woman and lactating woman for their kids. So ito yung complete, pareho lang sila ng C24/7 pero wala siyang anti-aging and resveratrol. So pwede po ito sa mga lactating woman, lactating ma'am, and pregnant woman at sa mga bata nga may sakit, lalo na sa may bata na sa mga dengue, may mga dengue, pwede po ito sa mga complete phytoenergizers and pills for the Nature's Way in the USA. This is kung gaano bigatin ating mga partnership sa atin. So, gaano kaganda ito at subok ko na rin dahil itong C24/7 at complete 100% natural and bigatin yung mga partners natin at subok ko at saka bisang-bisa talaga. Kaya pag walang ito, hindi ko wala akong resistensya. 24/7 yung energy mo. At lahat ng pakiramdam mo, mawala talaga. So next, we have C Supreme, the new product of our Empower Consumerism is C Supreme of ascorbic acid. Let's say, check the award that C24/7 our other product of the complete. There's a name of no approved therapeutic complaints. O diba? But you check the C Supreme, we don't have. Because why? Ascorbic is medicated as medicine. It's not a usual vitamin C. Ano ba ang meron sa C Supreme? GMO, it means genetically modified organism. Ibig sabihin, genetic artisan, pag wala kasi siya nito, ito ay isang 100% of natural. 100% of natural yung ating C Supreme. It's not usual vitamin C. It's a medicine, but is a C Supreme, is ascorbic vitamin C. In new generations, in new normal, in new smart vitamin C. See, ang galing ba? New generation, new normal, and smart, so smart vitamin C. C Supreme is revolutionary form of vitamin C lipid metabolites that enhance the delivery availability, absorption, kinetic, distributions, uptake, concentrations, and utilization efficiency of this particular vitamin C, not only inside our bodies, but inside the cells of our bodies. So, hindi lang pwede sa loob ng ating san. Pero po din ito sa loob ng ating mga cells of our bodies. Why C Supreme absorption? supreme retentions, supreme performance. All of them, they are three, are proven not only marketing reference, they are proven backed up by science, by human clinical data, meaning tested particular aura, cleaning these absorptions, retentions, and performance in superiority as compared to usual vitamin C, as like ascorbic acid, the astaxanthin, that one, etc. So, mechanism of C supreme absorptions. The absorptions of the first barrier, like this here, if you will intake, the first barrier usually ordinary vitamin C, they have difficulty or challenges of being absorbed from the stomach to the bloodstream, to the circulations, because lipid metabolites formulations, because the citrus bioflavonoid attached to ascorbic acid, because metabolites attach to ascorbic acid. In that particular probiotic process of microcapsulations, we're able to success to pass for first barrier. The mechanism, the second barrier, the bloodstream into intracellular membrane of the cells from the bloodstreams into the cells. Why C Supreme has 12% more antioxidant delivery compared to the other forms of vitamin C, such as plain ascorbic acid, sodium ascorbate, calcium ascorbate. We have Supreme has 233% higher retentions of vitamin C in the human body compared to the other forms of vitamin C, such as plain ascorbic acid, sodium ascorbate. And C Supreme has 300% more efficient in promoting fibroblasts and collagen healing to compare the other vitamin C, and has a 24% higher reductions. And it has a C24 250% more efficient in protecting the immune system from toxin. See, supreme performance, supreme retentions. Supreme has 83% more reductions of oxidized LDL cholesterol. Okay. So you have Supreme 11% more free radicals scavenging activities using ORAC and DDH method. And Supreme has 1,200% more stimulations of healthy neurons and nerve regenerations to the other product. It is Supreme is made from pure whey C. Pure whey C is a clinical tested from vitamin C with proven superior delivery, superior workability, extreme absorption and kinetics, higher cellular concentrations, and longer retention. And this one, ang C Supreme, unlike sa other vitamins, if you will take just a minute, you just urine. You just make it your pee. And the other one, the C Supreme, our products, pag inom mo, if you will stay a long time, and will go to our blood cells, not only inside our stomach, inside the all our cells. So, papasok lahat. Ang kahit at easy to healing wounds. Kahit ano may mga sakit ka, may mga sugat ka, mabisa-bisa po ito at mabilis maghilom. So, try our product, the best product of ascorbic acid, the C Supreme, and our complete and our flagship, the best product of our Empower Consumerism. And thank you so much for all your watching, and have a blessed, and sana naintindihan nyo. Thank you so much, and more power.